Hey, Plugs.
Welcome back. We got Plugsy 1, Plugsy 2, and Plugsy 3. And today we are going to be opening 3 hobby packs of the new
2021 Upper Deck.
But then
leak. This in next video we are going to be opening the 2021 Upper Deck. This is
retail
the
box.
the retail box.
But this is hobby.
$110 at we got it at
West Edmonton
Mall Coin and Stamp. So you can they actually have a channel. Go check them out. Yeah. And let's get
Wait,
into
but
it.
first,
one thing. So with this pack, we're hunting for young guns, and we are hunting for Alex Lafreniere. Lafreniere young guns. That's what we're. What's that baby worth? What?
350.
Oh, what?
360.
What'd you say? That's
Okay,
not
first time just showing you my best young guns. You got Philip Zadina.
This is pretty random, but
Braden Point. Poli RV. Capo Caco.
The CAC.
And Ramus Sandine. And
Rasmus Sandine.
and the best
and the big boy.
Jake DeBrusque.
That's the best year.
Let's start it off.
Okay, we'll start off with me. Best to worst.
No, I don't even know.
Best to worst.
Okay.
Ladies last.
I think it's Dad.
Oh, come on, baby.
Dad, just
Are they hard?
No, not too bad.
Let's not too bad. Because this video is not going to be too long.
Why?
Because it's almost 3 packs.
Okay. So we're in.
Here's the base. I don't really like the base.
Let's see what we got.
It looks like artifacts. The base.
Yeah, they kind of. Okay.
Shea Weber.
Shea Weber, nice
show
card.
them?
Okay, Okay, we got a Shea Weber.
Where are you?
We got Sergei Bobrovsky. Base.
Oh, no.
JT Comfer.
Young Guns. Goalie.
Oh!
Who?
Oh!
I didn't see. Who?
Dang it! I wish I would have.
Just show them.
Just quiet. Artem Zazigdu.
They can't see.
Zagigdulin. Artem Zagigdulin. No, you don't tell me what to do. That's enough. Okay, this one's going right here.
You guys see the
Brandon Sad.
Christmas tree.
These are pretty sick. Yeah, see the Christmas tree in the back?
Put it up pretty early.
Thomas Tatar.
Yeah, actually, we put it up quite a while ago.
Ooh, Travis Sanheim.
You probably seen that last video.
Michael Backlund.
Travis Sanheim.
Yep.
And Mikael Backlund.
Okay, then goes to me.
Oh, whoa.
Calm down,
Trying to hit the Yannies.
I was just getting garbage over there.
What are you doing?
Plugs.
Oh, we got a Young Guns.
How do you know?
I seen.
Nazem Cardi.
Should we wait?
Or
I guess we'll each have
Nazem
something.
Cardi. What is it?
Kadri.
Nikolai
Ellers. Got Artemi. No.
Anisimov.
Anisimov.
Oh, it's next. Kate,
okay.
Okay. Whoa.
No, these are so rare. And it's my favorite player.
No, okay, wait.
We
don't.
can't, Dad, don't. Okay, then Blake. Coleman.
Oh
my dad.
Oh.
New insert dazzles Alex Ovechkin, my favorite player.
Oh my.
What was that?
Yeah. I don't.
Lars Ellers and Frank.
Little.
Okay, next pack.
What the heck, man? Wow, that ended that celebration. Okay, let's see here.
That was Plugsy. That was Pedro. Just yelled.
Alex Ovechkin Dazzler.
I love those. Are like 1 in 24 packs.
How do you know?
Because I've seen.
Plugs up. Oh, got a Yamamoto in the back.
It's so sick because there's like a yeah.
Spit it out, Plug.
There's like
Okay.
fireworks.
Quit stealing the thunder. Let's
This
go.
is Sarah's.
Let me see. Julia Saros. Or what?
Those are
UC.
pretty.
John Tavares.
Ooh, that's
Getting
a nice,
injured.
That's a nice card.
John Gibson.
There's a lot of cards that way.
David Perron.
Ooh, I like that card.
Yeah.
Good hockey. Oh!
We got an NHL Worldwide Alex Barkov. I love these cards.
Yeah.
Oh.
No. Wait.
Give me
Mark
that.
Stone.
No, Dad, you don't know.
Mark Stone. Alex Stalock.
What? Staylock.
Stalock.
Yamamoto.
And Yamamoto.
That's a nice card.
And then
He's a bit of a plug, but
Alexander
I
Barkov.
think that one could be his rookie. That.
Okay, let's just go through the top
Okay,
cards.
wait. Just let me.
Plugsy 2 gets to go through the top cards. This one.
Do I? Okay. So
why-
coming in quiet. Starting here, we got.
Can they not?
Okay, Dad,
We
you
got.
have
Excuse me, Plug. Alexander NHL Worldwide WW27 Alexander Barkov.
Can you go?
Man, that's nice. Next one, ooh, we got the Alex Ovechkin Dazzler. Look at that thing shine. Beautiful. Dazzlers. And we've got the, goalie young gun, according to Plugsy 1.
Yeah, well, it's a goalie young gun.
Oh.
Can you not see? Dad.
Quiet.
Plugsy 2.
Plugsy too.
He's cute. He's a cuddly one.
Oh, quit your whining.
Okay, see ya, Plugs.
No. We gotta say, okay, so let's do
Like-
the teaser. So
like-
what? No. So what we're doing
We're
on Friday,
opening.
we're gonna
The
be
20
opening
Friday the 20th.
12 packs of the new upper deck.
We're doing a part 2, so
And then
our-
on Saturday, we're thinking will be
No.
tomorrow we're doing part 1. Friday we're doing part 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Abel, yes, we are.
Okay.
We're
So
opening-
keep an eye out for that, Plugs, and
plugs up.
Plugs up, boys.
See a plug.
Like, subscribe.
Oh,
And turn those knobs. Oh, what should we comment down below your favorite insert out of these
sure.
3?
Okay.
They've already seen them. Okay, see ya, plugs.
See you, Plugs.